Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fastest growing gear site on the web. And today we're going to uncrate the EBC Semi-Sintered V touring pad. What's up, Speed Addicts fan? Before we get into the V pad from EBC, do us both a favor. That's right, subscribe to the channel. It'll take you one click and you're going to get up-to-date, educated, latest parts and gear coming into the power sports industry. If you're subscribed, then you never miss out. Also, if you'd like to support us here at speedaddicts.com, you can do so by simply shopping with us. That's right, I'm reaching for your wallet. Don't worry, there's a link in the description below. They'll take you right over the complete selection of EBC braking components. In our opinion, the best aftermarket pads out there. Go check them out at speedaddicts.com. And while you're at it, get a new set of gloves. You deserve it. Okay, here we are. EBC brake pads, my choice, personal choice for a long time. And Speed Addicts has been selling EBC brake pads for about 2 decades now. So last time I checked, that was 20 years. They've proven themselves in terms of quality, performance, and relatively affordable. Now, they are all made, or the majority of them are made at their friction factory in Ohio, which is great. So most of the EBC pads, even though it's a UK company, are now made in the United States. They do have a factory in jolly old England where they make a lot of rotors, but that's it. Yes, you can spend less on brake pads. You can get the cheap stuff on eBay from God knows where, and it's not going to perform like these, and it's putting you at risk. This is braking we're talking about. You need to stop when it counts, especially out there on the road. Could be problems. So go with a name you can trust when you're replacing braking components is my advice to you, unsolicited as it may be. Now, what is a V pad? You'll notice there's a V at the end of the part number. It's going to help you figure out the first part. But why did they make this pad? This is a semi-sintered pad, which is basically a combination of 2 different types of pads. So there's 3 different types of braking compounds out there. There's organic, which is petrochemical and aramid fiber. Maybe a little bit of metal in there, but majority petrol product. Then they have the full metallic sintered pads, which is all metallic dust that's superheated and bonded together. This is when they meet up at the bar and make a baby. This is the semi-sintered pad, which means they take petrol resins and then they bond some of that metallic material in there to kind of give you the best of both worlds. Now, the V pad, V is for, let's just say, they're thinking of touring or heavy street machines. This is really targeted at the Harley-Davidson market, in particular the FLH customer who's got a heavy bagger and wants long life, great bite, big stopping power, okay? These are not racing pads. They're not meant to get super duper duper hot. They're meant to give you a long life under big loads when you've got 2 up on your bagger with luggage and you just don't want to be doing your brakes all the time. So that's the customer they had in mind with the semi-sintered V pad from EBC. You still got questions? Wondering what part number to buy, what brake compound to buy? Talk to our rider support team. They're going to make it real easy for you. You get it done right the first time, not having to return stuff and all that. Talk to them. Email, phone, live chat. They're there for you all the time. Check them out. That's it for today. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.